Guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So to create this look, guys, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to take a couple of shades from this palette. I don't remember the names of the shades because I don't have the thing with the names written on it. So as you can see, I went in with a brown and then brown into the crease and then add some black to it to give it some depth. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out to get rid of the harsh edges. I'm now going to go in with a fluffier brush and a lighter brown shade and use that to blend out the edge of those two colors to give it a fade going up into the brow bone. While blending, I lost most of the black, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some more to the crease to get that definition that I want, and then blend it out. But I won't blend it until it's lost. I'll just blend out the harsh edges. Now I'm going to go in with a lighter shade of concealer, and I'm going to use that to do a half moon cut crease. I'm gonna call these my humble cut crease because they're not as dramatic like I'm used to. And then after cutting the crease, I'm just going to go in with that nude shade out of the Morphe 3502 palette and place that all over the clean canvas to put that as my base because I won't be adding any shadows. I'll just leave it as is, and then I'm going to go in with two liners, which is the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black and the NYX blue liner. But at the end, you'll see where I changed the liner and did it to complete black. I took away the blue because I had blue on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face, and first I'm going to add my primer, and this is a matte primer from Wet n Wild. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420, and I'm going to place that all over my face, then blend it out. And after blending out, I'm going to add my concealer to highlight my face, go ahead with my contour, add my powders, and yeah, just please watch and learn and see all that I did. Just follow my steps and you'll never go wrong. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my highlighted areas using these two powders, which is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and the Black Radiance banana powder. So I went ahead and mix those two powders together and then add them to my highlighted areas, which is under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, the center of my forehead, my chin, and I did a little reverse contour in which I placed it underneath my jawline. I went ahead and I contoured my face using the Black Radiance pressed powder in coffee, and I used that around the perimeter of my face and on my cheekbones to snatch that face. I went ahead and I did a little quick bake, so now I'm dusting off the excess powders off my face, and then I'm going in with my MAC mineralized skin finish, and I think it's chance, I don't remember, deep something. So I went ahead, used that all over my face, and then set my face using my rose mist. And then I'm going to go ahead complete the rest of my eyes, in which I'll use the blue from the Afrique palette from Juvias place, and then add some glitters, the crystal glitter. Mix the crystal glitter with some glue glitter from Fluttered by Ro on Instagram. So I mix those two glitters together and then add them to my bottom lash line. And the crystal glitter is from NYX, so that's the glitter that I'll be using, with the one from Fluttered by Ro. Then I'm going to go ahead, this is where I went ahead and took out the blue from my liner, because I had the blue on the bottom lash line, so I didn't want to have the blue up top, so I went ahead and go over it with the black liner. I went ahead and add my lashes off camera. I'm going to show you guys, I have how to apply, or I applied my lashes video coming soon. So now I'm going to go ahead and light my face using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This highlighter is the bomb and it's cheap, so it's really affordable. So I'm just gonna go ahead, place that on the eye parts of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, in the center of my forehead, and also my chin. Now to finish off my face, I'm just going to go ahead and add my lippy. So I'm going to go in with my NYX chestnut lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with a NYX plum shade. I don't remember the name of the shade, but I'm going to add that to my lips. It's like a burgundy shade, burgundy plum, whatever you call it. So I'm just gonna go ahead, add that to my face, snatch my wig on, and I'll see you guys in my outro. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you.